My name is Tatenda Leopold Chakanyuka, reporting for IBC TV Pakistan. I'm right here in Wuhan. News coming out of Wuhan has been positive. The daily reports on the coronavirus have been showing positive results. The new infections being shown are actually now less than 5 per day, which is very positive and a clear sign towards winning the battle. What we have also heard is that the makeshift hospitals that were built in Wuhan have closed. Most of the health personnel that were seconded to Wuhan have started returning to their cities and to their stations. The major hospitals here in Wuhan have resumed their normal operations. But generally, the city is still under lockdown, but gradually opening up. As for the universities, they've continued conducting classes online, and they've advised their students not to return to school until they receive official communication from their universities. So basically, this is the current updates that we currently have here in Wuhan. Thank you.